This is the AVAX Avalanche coin 1 month overview reading for September 2022. It's currently September 2nd, 2022, 11:12 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the month is a move all the way the move out of a decline all the way from the bottom of a range to the top of a range, and that's on a 1 month chart. Scale of a 1 month chart. It's crossed with an opportunity to open up a short position or protect against long positions. Possibly, if you can't do that somehow with like an ETF or something, then likely take profits. Behavior around the high. We have the revisiting of a support level around the high for the month, and there's a sharp dip within a period of sideways rotation along that support level. Behavior around the month's low, we have bullish price swings out of the month's low. On the first, we have. Oh wow, missed that little guy there. On the first, we have a decline that ends with a fast sudden move higher. And that rally extends, looks like, well, the rally, that fast sudden move higher marking the decline, it rallies along a diagonal trend line, which on the second breaks down after a fast sudden move higher. There's a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. There's also something going on here with the male leader. Look, we've got a night, like 3 nights in a row. Definitely something going on with the male leader here the first couple of days here for Avalanche. So maybe it's something with the founders or something like that. On the third, we have sideways rotation along a key support level, and that's on a 1 month chart, and that sideways rotation ends with a fast sudden move to the upside. The following day, however, on the fourth, we have a sharp drop from a peak or crest. There's a failed attempt at the day's high on the fourth to break through key resistance, at least on a 1 day chart, and then that's followed by a decline through key support. On a 1 day chart, there's a notable drop here, something to do with a male ruler. So lots going on here with a male leader. On the fifth, we have the beginning of a rally, and there's also an opportunity in here. It looks like a cross correlation with the Princess of Wands, so an opportunity to open up a short position or take profits against long position. Also notice this guy. So it looks like early in the month, I'm gonna want to open up some protection if that's possible with Avalanche coin, or somehow hedge myself. Yeah, and we definitely have a month's high towards the end of the third week. All right, so where were we? On the 6th, an important resistance level is highlighted on a 1 month chart, and there's a cash out opportunity, a nice juicy cash out opportunity around a high on the end of the 6th or early on the 7th. On the 7th, we have a move higher through resistance, followed by a decline back down through through that same price level shortly thereafter. There's also a correlation here to position oneself for the Princess of Wands energy, let's say, is to take profits or position oneself to protect against long positions if that's possible with Avalanche coin. I guess theoretically, if there wasn't a way to short a crypto, but it did follow pretty closely to Bitcoin behavior, you'd be able to sort of hedge against it utilizing the ETF for Bitcoin, shorting the ETF for Bitcoin, which I believe you could do it with Simple Swap. On the 13th, quite a bit of volatility. On the 14th, we have a sideways S formation between a resistance and a support. That's on a 1 day chart. We have a breakout on the 15th Oh, excuse me. I left out. We likely have a high here for the month. Our first high for the month here on the 8th, or somewhere between the 8th and like the 11th. It looks like. Um, okay, so on the 15th, the breakout. On the 16th, we have an agreement between two leaders that's highlighted. On the 17th, multiple headwinds. We still move higher in the face of multiple headwinds. The Fool card on the 8th, on the 18th. A move. It's a move higher. So there's a big move from the 17th into the 19th where we do some sideways rotation. It looks like we probably on the 19th hit a month's high. That would go in line with the behavior around the Queen of Discs. Sideways rotation along the high, along a support level. So we turn it into support, and then on the 19th we're rotating sideways along it. It looks like a month's high somewhere between the 19th and the 21st, or on the 19th and then again on the 21st. Towards the end of the day on the 19th, there's a decline that starts, and it looks like we decline from a support level through a support level to meet a second support level. We move sideways along that support and then break down through multiple support levels on the 20th. On the 21st, a prominent move higher. It'll stand out on a 1 month chart, but it's also fully retraced by a prominent move lower that'll stand out on a 1 month chart. Sideways fluctuations, erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level on the 22nd. We revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. On the 23rd, there's a move. Ooh. A fast, sudden move to the upside. We may actually have another prominent trough or low here. It looks like it's possible around the 23rd or the 24th. There's just so much choppiness, guys. And a big move to the upside on the 23rd out of what appears to be a significant trough. On the 24th, period of volatility that ends with a fast, sudden move to the upside. Standing out on a 1 day chart. On the 25th, we have a period of volatility and a sharp dip within that period of volatility that stand out on a 1 day chart. On the 26th, an important price level, important resistance level that's highlighted on a 1 month chart. And on the 27th, looks like there's likely another high around the 27th, a cash out opportunity or a crest here. Let's not say a high, but a crest around the 27th, marking another opportunity to be short. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance on the 28th. On the 29th, we fall to and through a support level. We do a reversal beneath the support level and then return to it to reuse it as support. And then we have a unicursal on the 30th. So there's a move higher through a resistance level followed by a decline back through that same price level. Likely unicursal means that we likely start off the month of October with a sharp drop. So be prepared for that, but it is a bullish month, so out of a sharp drop, there's going to be a big move to the upside to reach for distant resistance. And that's Avalanche coin for September 2022, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, follow that rule of karma, my friends. 5% forward, pay it forward. 5% back, pay it back. That entire sum of profits, make sure you spend it out of love, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.